Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I've got a brand new listing on a 2021 model year Aquila 36 power catamaran. And if you've never been on a power catamaran before, you'll be amazed at the space that this thing has for a 36-foot boat. We've got twin staterooms with ensuite heads, tons of seating, huge boarding on and off the rear with a swim stairway, I call it, because it's much more than just a ladder that deploys out of the stern there. This boat's loaded. It comes equipped with twin Mercury 350 joystick piloting. Up top, we've got full radar and FLIR, as well as paddleboard storage. As you board, you can see we've got both starboard and port side doors, so either side that you dock on, you've got easy access on and off. We've got dual shore power cables, so if you want to run everything from shore power, including 3 air conditioning systems, you certainly can. You got outdoor summer kitchen here, sink, grill under there, refrigerator under that one. As you can see, we've got AC in the cockpit as well as at the helm. And we do have a full enclosure on this boat. You can see the isinglass drops down there, side curtains and totally enclose it, as well as in the front. And even our hatches on the top open electronically. Moving forward to the helm, we've got joystick piloting, as I mentioned, with skyhook, electronic throttles, electronic steering, Raymarine system. As I mentioned, staterooms are both port and starboard, absolutely identical. We've got the berth forward, head aft. On your starboard side is your main electrical panel. Back to port, again, everything's identical. Only difference is we don't have the electrical panel on this side. Finally moving to the bow. Fantastic seating up here. Lots of different configurations. As you can see on starboard here, I've got everything in a seating position. Port side, we've got set up into a lounger. And you can also do a little bit of each if you want. We can flip this one up. And now you can have 2 people lounging, 2 people sitting there to socialize. Power windlass up front as well with a stainless anchor. And finally, you've got additional sun coverage if needed. You can flip up those little hatches, put a carbon pole in, and we can put a sunshade over this whole bow seating area. If you guys have any other questions on this boat, give me a call, shoot me a text, 303-875-3988. Also, under 100 hours on this boat. Hope to talk to you soon.